So early morning, this morning, we've got this trip to Ninh Binh. So via our hotel again, we paid about $35. Yeah, picking us up in about 10 minutes, so it's gonna be time for us to go. We're really excited about it because it's one of those things we wanted to do, and being in Hanoi, you know, the tour is available pretty much everywhere, so that's just the right time to do it, so let's go.
We hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow our adventures.
That's a convenience.
Really nice.
For breakfast as well. From there.
Already?
So we just arrived to our first stop. I think it took about pretty much 2 hours to get here. Really crowded, but let's see how it goes.
But in there, you see the man with the long dress.
So interestingly, Ninh Binh used to be the capital of Vietnam until 2010, and then it became Hanoi.
So right now you can see her.
So this one is one of the 2 temples here. So two kings used to live here. Basically, that's why there's like 2 different temples. And there was a 3rd king, but he used to live in Hanoi. So the temple is actually in Hanoi. So this one is the first one, and we'll get to see the other one after. Very much like a festival. It's like a puppet show, music, selling some food around here as well. So I think the first step is done. We just saw 2 temples. We'll have to gather it all together at the entrance. So I think we're gonna head to the next stop, see what we're going. Really nice sceneries. We were on small roads before, now we are on the main road. I think we're going back to the restaurant, looking at the way we're going to. We're gonna have a break for some lunch, and then we'll go to another step after. Really hungry now, so quite happy that we're getting to the restaurant. That is behind.
Good. Some choice.
So last stop, Bangkok. We're gonna be on the boat for about 1 hour and now, from my understanding. So waiting to get on the boat now. It's busy, but not as busy as the other place we saw before. So we're really enjoying this part. It's really peaceful. There's quite a few people, but it's quite relaxing being on the boat. So the boat ride is gonna last about an hour, maybe an hour and 30. The scenery is just beautiful. Danny's really impressed as well, so it's great. We're happy that we're finally seeing this, because that's probably the reason why we booked that tour, was to see this specific thing. So really happy about it. So we're almost ending the boat around here, and next step is gonna be the dancing caves. Wish us good luck, because there's about 500 steps. We're quite lucky because the weather is also hot today, which is good. It's quite grey and there's like a small breeze as well, so it shouldn't be too difficult. I mean, it's going to be challenging, but at least it's not too hot, which means we won't struggle because of the heat, so let's see.
난 오른쪽.
You tired?
Oh man, when you're not used to doing stuff like that, especially in fucking flip-flops, it's tough, but obviously when you get up here it's incredible view, so can't complain.
We made it. Really tiring. We do think going down is a lot more challenging and takes a lot more time than going up. Our legs are shaking right now, so we had to buy an ice cream to cool down.
To celebrate.
Yeah, well done.
Well done, well done.
So we're waiting to get on our bus now to head back to Hanoi, but we had a really good day, especially the last two parts, you know, the small boat and here going up the cave, even though it was really hard, the view was like really worth it, so really happy about this trip. We're quite tired because it's
so exhausting, isn't it?
yeah, exactly, it's just a lot to do in like one day, but we are really happy that we've done it, and we're excited to see more of Vietnam.
Definitely, yeah. I mean, it started at what 7:30. We're gonna get back about 7 now, so yeah, it's a full day, but definitely worth it.